Hey guys, it's Miss Kruger. I'm going to do a video tutorial to help y'all with application of rates tutorial slide 7 in Edmentum. So let's get into this problem together. As if you watched the previous tutorial, you know that there are 3 different ways to solve unit rate. 1, simply divide. 2, you can write an equation and solve an equation. Or 3, you can set up a proportion to help you further understand who is your dividend and who is your divisor. So let's go ahead and tackle this problem. Aletha traveled 280 miles at a speed of 70 miles per hour. So 280 miles, she drove that many miles, and she was in her car, and she had her speed set at 70. So we're wanting to know how much time did she take to cover this distance. So strategy 1, simply divide. So let's go ahead and do that one first. 280 divided by 70. We know zeros cancel 0, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify my problem. 7 goes into 28 4 times. So we know that it takes 4 hours to drive 280 miles at a speed of 70 miles per hour. 4. Okay, another, maybe you're thinking, I don't understand how you knew to divide 280 and 70. Well, let me further illustrate that. So we have our miles, and we're looking for time or hours. So they gave us the rate here. They gave it to us already. 70 miles and 1 hour. And they told us over here she traveled 280 miles. So we know miles goes with miles. So we're going to keep 280 with our miles, which means our variable goes in hours. So if we look at this portion right here, we can see that we are looking for time, which again, X, we're looking for time, which is also what the question said, how much time. Again, they gave us the rate. We plugged in the rate, 70 miles in 1 hour, and we plugged in our additional information, 280 miles was the distance traveled. So here in this proportion, we can see 280 times 1 is 280. And again, we are still dividing by 70. So again, solving unit rate, there's 2 different ways to get there, but they lead you to the same answer. Over here, we followed the simply divide strategy to find our time. Over here in number 2 way of solving, we can see that we set up a proportion to it may help your brain break down the problem a little bit better when you see it like this, of understanding who is your dividend and who is your divisor. So if that helps you as well. Now, another, again, if we're doing this equation style, 70 miles times hours, that does not look like a 7. There we go. 70 miles times the number of hours in this equation equals 280. Over here, you can see even if we write an equation, we still end up dividing 28 and 7. So that is how we solve unit rate on slide 7 in your Edmentum tutorial. I hope this helps, guys. Let me know, shoot me an email if you still need help on this question. Bye.